Hey guys, how's it going? So today we'll be showing you guys how to install your color clusters on your Yamaha MT models. In this video, I'll be using a Yamaha MT-07, although the installation for the MT-09 and MT-10 are very similar, and instructions will come in the package for the bike that you choose. So getting started, what you're going to want to do is remove the dash from your bike. So the first step would be to remove the top two bolts holding the dash to the bike itself and unplug the wiring harness on the back of the dash. Once done, you can go ahead and place your dash on a microfiber cloth or a soft surface so you don't scratch the screen. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the bracket on the back of the dash. As well as the screws surrounding the back casing of the dash. Once you have these screws removed, you can now split the case apart. If needed, use a credit card or a gift card or something like that to help split the case. I wouldn't use a flathead screwdriver or something like that so you don't scratch the plastic cover. Once you open your dash, keep note of the little button tabs and be sure not to lose them, as you'll need to reinstall these back later when we install the color clusters. In the package, you'll get instructions and a version 2 color clusters. As of the recording of this video, all color clusters are now shipping with the version 2 models. The difference between the version 1 and the version 2 is that the version 1 would deform if left in direct sunlight or in hotter climates of around 30 degrees Celsius, whereas the version 2 can withstand hotter climates and will not deform. Take your color clusters and clean both sides. For the version 2 model, it's recommended to remove these foam pieces around the screen and inside the casing for both the MT-09 and MT-10 model. Removing the foam pieces won't affect anything, as once everything's screwed back in place, it will be locked into place. If you leave these foam pieces in, it may cause the color cluster not to lay perfectly flat. Insert the color clusters in your dash and reinstall the button tabs in their spots. Place the LCD screen back in the casing and put the back cover back on. Reinstall all the screws to close up the dash and reconnect the mounting bracket. Head over to your bike and reinstall the dash by connecting the dash harness and connecting your bike with the top two Allen key screws. To get the most out of your color clusters, you're going to want to turn up the brightness of the dash. To do this, insert your key, hold the left button down and turn the key to the on position. This display will pop up, and using the right key, you can turn up the brightness to the highest setting. Then go ahead and press the left key to save the settings. And that is how you install your version 2 color clusters. We're also working on the LCD polarizer mod, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See ya.